Hello guys, welcome back to the Fodor channel. Today, I will show you how to design a unique tattoo with one of the best AI tattoo generators. Let's dive in. First, click the Generate Tattoo with AI Now button. Get in the image generator interface. You will know why I call this the best AI tattoo generator because it provides a specific tattoo preset style that makes tattoo design easier than ever. If you want a unique tattoo for yourself, but you don't have any idea yet, you can simply input a few keywords of what you want and click the Generate button to help you come up with the further design. For example, if I input a puppy running pose, it will give 2 results that match the keywords. By the way, you can generate up to 6 ideas at once. If you don't like the results, you just need to simply click the Generate button again to get more until you're satisfied with it. If you have a clear design idea of what you want, you just want a quick preview, then you can input your thinking in details like this, click the Generate button, you will get your tattoo with color fill. Unique tattoo designs are within your touch using the Tattoo AI generator. You are free to create designs in diverse styles with Fodor's random tattoo generator, such as anime, sketch, realism, 3D effect, gothic, and watercolor. You can create whatever you want, like phoenixes, patchworks, Valkyrie tattoos, poison trees, and more tattoo designs in a few seconds. Let's create amazing AI tattoo designs with our free AI tattoo design generator. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys will like this tip. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips. See you in the next video.